Angang sa mamangi class ta koina fluids at rest hadi rest ta laiba liquid singi maram tamgre asidi fluids in motion liquid sing sina motion tawba matamda kari kari thokpa ge habado dui maram da tawsi masibo koina fluid dynamics haina su kawe ko aduna huji yengasi na koina kari gumba kanda turenda na koi sum chatpada ichen chendhariba ichen do noina ui nong yam chuba ising chawba matamda chenba ichen ga nong tadaba matamda leiba turen gi ichen ga ani du khenaba noina ui nong chuba matamda di turen gi ichen du mafam khangdana mafam irei tasanba dagi mafam ambatta manadi aduga nong chudaba yamna kangba matamda chenba turen gi sendi chang amada cheli ko ana sumba sidigi akoina kari khangba ge habada akoigi motion of fluid sichu makhan ani lay kari kai makhan noida amana mabuk tapa streamline flow habama aduga amana ma thong maram khangdana chenba aduna turbulent flow sumai tawdana makhan ani lay aduna hujik akoina yengdori si makhan animak se masigi maramda koi thijengani yengo streamline flow da di akoina kaidoge da cheliba ichen du da every point per second da laigadoba velocity of liquid to loin constant oineba streamline flow da di ko aduga turbulent flow da di every point in the flowing liquid velocity will be different khenagani bako ana hujik yengasi ai sa ulake noida to si streamline flow ni sina turbulent flow ni yi ise in studying the motion of fluids we focus our attention on what is happening to various fluid particles at particular point in space at particular time. The flow of fluid is said to be steady. Tapi mabuk tapi maitelon dahadi mabuk tapahay na steady kwa. Karam kanda if at any given point the velocity of each passing fluid particle remains constant. Ay nauzita hay gibdo. Mana point khudingi lalakadoyo liquid particles singdugi velocity do constant oragadi madubo koina streamline kauneba or steady kauneba is constant in time. The velocity of a particular particle may change as it moves from one point to another. Aduga ma poinam de poinam lalakpada budi atopa mafam da budi velocity do manaram da bayai adu so particular oiba point amada lan gadoba liquid ki velocity do di loi manani ba steady da di hayang define steady flow haradi or streamline flow adum kumbayare se streamline the path taken by the fluid particle under a steady flow is said to be streamline aduna ngasai fluid amada laigadoriba chatliba particle dugi lamben do madubo koina streamline ene kaune steady oragadi steady oiba flow amagi lamben dubu the path taken by the fluid particle under a steady flow is said to be streamline kawi. It is defined as the curve whose tangent at any point in its direction of fluid velocity at that point. Aduna ngasai mana chatlibadugi ko magi path si tangent curve to the ko it is defined as the curve whose tangent at any point in the direction of the fluid. Fluid to na chatlibadugi da nang tangent singbada fluid velocity at that point. Maduda laiba curve to ni ena lawni adai property de kaino streamline flow gi property yengsi streamline flow da di mafam ama khakta point ama khakta particle singdo amaga sungla lana roi mai gi chatpham thokpa mai kai de chatkani adon number 1 da each particle flows a smooth path and the path of the particle does not cross each other. Amaga cross taunaroi. Adagi every other particle which passes a particular point behave exactly as the previous particle that has just passed that point. Adana masagi particle mamang dal chatkiba particle dugi mawong do magi matung taba successor dunasu adum magi mawong du illaga dum chatkani ba to se na koina uri se sigi flow se da particle mayam laini mamang da thari ba sing duna chatli ma mai kai da matung ni particle sing so dum chatkini ba sini anana silera the next object turbulent yengsi se si turbulence se si da plate oiba plate am thame streamline oiba flow ma se lakjabani adu si mafam se da yeiraba matung da idi se turbulent phange koina sini turbulent flow hai se di ma particle sing sigi velocity se mafam ga amta manaro to se utle ko next yengsi turbulent steady flow ibasidi speed to tapping e da oiko steady flow is as if at low speed beyond a limiting value called critical speed. Critical speed haiba value onkhak laigani haiba value du wang madadi turbulent loy oirakani. This flow loses steadiness and becomes turbulent. Aduna yengasi khudamdi when a fast flowing stream encounters rock, small foamy whirlpool-like region called whitewater rapids are formed. I ngasai noi namang de se utli se streamline oi lakchar ma do mai lambens da kai obstacle am thengnaradi matam du da akoi turbulent flow se phangi. Adagi laminar flow si definition mayam se no koi phaba yai si sing se hayeng adum hangi. Laminar flow adi kaino tongan ba to se utli se tongan ba layer sing se tongan ba velocity loin laye ba ko mana de ba amaga aduna makhoi sing chi bo koin kai ko gebu laminar flow ko we to a liquid in streamline flow can be supposed to be in the form of parallel layers one above another. This is why the flow is called laminar flow. Aduna ngasai gi tongan ba layer sing ni ana loin lo bo ya ba streamline flow se aduna makhoi bu laminar flow hena su ko we to se mai magi plane amam loin le yana suppose to bo ya tube of flow is the kaino abada streamline flow ma makhoi si makhoi chabun nama having same velocity lairaba ado itaradi madugumba singdubo koina kai kaugebu tube of flow kaune ba a bundle of streamlines having same velocity of fluid element over any cross section perpendicular to the direction of flow is called tube of flow in kaune ba. Critical velocity is the kaino yengasi. Critical velocity se ngasai so high gre streamline flow mada khwaidagi maximum velocity haiba velocity sibogdi streamline oiba adumba velocity dubo koina kai kaugebu critical velocity kauweba ana it is the maximum velocity of the flow of liquid flowing in a streamline flow sini ana sumai tawdana khoi streamline flow, turbulent flow kaino, laminar flow kaino, tube of flow kaino, suma mayamam laire hayeng paikada streamline ka turbulent ka kari khenai adum hangba yai ko streamline da di ngasai gi path sing do ma cross tawnaroi turbulent da di adu thokte streamline flow da di low flow speed laini turbulent da di critical velocity gi hek wang ma da di turbulent oini masai sida number am khak changi e masi number sibo koin kai kauge bu Reynolds number kawi ado Reynolds constant or Reynolds number सिगी नोय ओस्बो रेनॉल को नुपा अमनानी सी मरमदा पुथोअम्बसे अदुना माय ममिंग लौरगा सिबु रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर हैना कौवे रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर से कईना खंगनागेबु कैपिटल आर ना खंगनाई मधुदी V critical is equal to Reynolds number the coefficient of viscosity divided by density of the liquid into capital D diameter से सुमाइन तौदना अखोइना Reynolds number की value सी करीगुम्बा Reynolds number viscous liquid amana sumaina chenba matamda magi Reynolds number si 0 to 2000 bause masisna streamline oiganeba duga value of R si about 3000 si turbulent oena logani aduga R lying between 2000 and 3000 se masidi unstable ni 2000 daina 3000 bogi manungna unstable ne ana hayeng nangna value si chu difference ta hapayai streamline ki Reynolds number di 0 to 2000 bogni aduga turbulent ki Reynolds number di beyond 3000 bho Reynolds number ki value na 3000 ki beyond the di turbulent ni si haibayai hayeng 2 marks ki difference ta hangeng khaladi sumai khumbayai ko chine next up equation of continuity si maramda take maming side akhoi na khange kaino karigumba liquid ama di flow tawba matamda continuous oi haisima akhoi khange ado hojik yengsi se sida no khoi na mangda diagram am laira diagram sida opening se area cross section A1 aduga A2 gi area cross section oiba ani mafam ani khak lawrasi A1 sida liquid si tube sida flow torok to ni non uniform oiba liquid amdani chelhalise sigi mafam sida cheliba liquid ki velocity na v1 ohelasi sina v2 ohelasi ko aduga hojik yengasi se sumai tawdana liquid ani si chelhalle sorry sumai tawdana liquid si tube si chelhalle aduga adu itaradi sigi area sigi point A sida land gadoriba per second da land doiba volume of liquid sidi kaina pira A1 V1 na pirani aduga B ebam pham da land doisina A2 V2 na pirani aduga density of liquid na rho oiragadi mass of the liquid flowing per second si A1 V1 rho oirani aduga B na land doisina A2 V2 rho oirani liquid si compressible oide na in ngasai akhoi assume tawgi logi ko aduna mass of the liquid crossing A C must be equal to mass of the liquid crossing B C per second da mabani si manani ba A the land ga doiba amount of liquid tuga the B the land doiba amount of liquid tuga manani ba aduna dia ani si mana halo se khoi na kai khange A1 B1 equals to A2 B2 or A B C constant O S khange ba masibo khoi na kai kaugibu equation of continuity ena kauwe ba si equation je khoi na kai khange B is proportional to 1 by A haibadi area cross section na pingai velocity chauni area cross section chaukhala di velocity handani ana velocity of flow of liquid varies P nate ko O igadamne of liquid varies inversely as the area cross section of the opening aduna nakoina yumda su nakoina urido ising lakwa matamda nakoina ising do gari ga samninga de noina khubi na dorkanda pipe machine do mention kanda ising do sai chelam ba sang duri kanna kankhalai ko madu kai gino habada nangi area cross section do pixel labanina magi chatkadaba amount of liquidity per second da loi manabam thokpane velocity yankhala ine aduna sina equation of continuity laira next Bernoulli's theorem si tausi Bernoulli's theorem si tauna bai damang ta koina seisida pipe am lore pipe si chawba manade loinana magi height from the ground so manade kaya kaya oirasige yango sidai se leiba area na A haiba mpham se leiba area of cross section A1 aduga B da leidoina A2 oirasi si mafam da leidoyo pressure na P1 oirasi sida P2 oirasi height na H1 ni se sida magina H2 oirasi per second da mana ising gi liquid sina chatoribasi x1 distance chatlasi somdana x2 chatlasi ko adana hojik lairasi Bernoulli's theorem na kari haige da total energy of a small amount of incompressible non-viscous liquid se masi flowing without friction from one point to another in a streamline flow remains constant throughout the displacement. Adana Bernoulli's theorem na hai kaigumba kaimta viscous haidi yam nap law haibani non viscous haidi kaigumba amta napsindaba incompressible oiba liquid amada di friction yaudana chatpa matamda anywhere da laigadaba magi energy do adu constant oigani hojik yengasi consider STD an incompressible liquid flowing through a pipe or variable area of cross section aduga magi per second sendoiba mass of the liquid na m orasi aduga cross section si ai ngasai noina loi haigre aduna noi adum pajaro aduna hojik yengasi work done by the liquid at A sida laigadaba liquid tuna tawgadaba work done si kaina pira work done id force into distance ni ana W1 equals to force to the P1 A1 apire into X1 force haibasi pressure into area na P kwa aduna P1 A1 X1 they work done upon the liquid at B sida laigadaba work done duna kari ora against the lairani ko aduna minus P2 A2 X2 adagi in addition to this work some work is done against the gravitation in changing the height of the liquid from H1 to H2 sidaisda mana gravitation gi against the work am tawida maduna W3 equals to minus mgh na p ko gravitation aduna my work done to mgh2 minus H1 si laire adodi net work done di kya tare net work done di W equals to W1 plus W2 plus W3 adana value sing loi hapsalo aduga si laire adagi di since the volume of liquid at A and B is the same A that's like the volume of liquid to B the like do do I ngasai higher loi manabam to aduna magi value do A1 X1 equals to A2 X2 equals to si mohta ina mass per say density sina hape volume si volume ni volume ai basi mass ai basi density into volume na pi aduna volume gi mota m by rho si ire ade si value sing che laire se manana ba se m da irakpagi si sing che change tawrini ko se the next the v1 and v2 are velocities of the liquid at A and B respectively A ga B ga na lai ga da volume velocity do na v1 ga v2 go ohelasi adoi di change in kinetic energy the half ko mv2 square minus half mv1 square sitare adoi according to work energy principle now work done on a body must be equal to change in kinetic energy ga managani ko work done duga aduna si value sing ja hapsalo dai 1 gi kangbu punjalo 2 gi kangbu punjalo adoi di si value si kai kai tare yangasi p1 by rho adagi mgh silaire adagi sigi ji somthang adi plus re m kama lauthodi m kama lauthoe similarly sigi suni ado m do loina manana lautho banina kakthana gre adona p1 by rho plus half v1 square plus gh1 c p2 by rho half v2 square plus GH2 si leire. That means siga haibadi ka general formula da P by rho plus half V square plus GH equals to constant si tare ba. Si adi ka say pressure head plus velocity head plus gravitational head equals to constant si tayo. Ko aduna in case of small amount of incompressible non-viscous fluid flowing from one point to another in streamline flow, the sum total of velocity head, gravitational head, and pressure head is a constant quantity. Sine hayang paikada State Bernoulli's theorem harsu si adum khum yare ko sise. Ade Bernoulli's equation gi limitations magi limitations kai lagi yang si. Akoina ngasai viscosity yaudi na haibado adu viscosity si yawa khraga lai adu itaradi madugi maramda akoina khana hode maduma yengasi ko force of viscosity which comes to play in case of fluid in motion has not been accounted for sima koi khana hode the loss of energy due to heat is not accounted for sima jo koi khana de in the form of heat so low energy khra mangi ko. Number 3, when fluid flows in a curved path, the energy due to the centripetal force is also not accounted for. Se curve oyo part amanda chatkanda di magi centripetal force ki siso akoi khana di sigumba singse masina Bernoulli's gi equation gi limitation ni. Next Torricelli's law. Torricelli na kaya yengsi speed of efflux si maramda mana hai efflux is kaino yengsi. The word efflux means fluid outflow zenthorapa ising mapanda zenthoraiba ising dubo koina efflux kaweba. Torricelli discovered that the speed of efflux from an open tank is given by the formula identical to that of a freely falling body. Torricelli na puthome kai puthonge da kai gumba zenthorapa tanki amadagi zenthoraiba ising ko magi formula se freely falling body amaga manai habase Torricelli na puthoeba adana tengam lore magi liquid density na rho ni adu mangonda ahob makhuna apikpa muhle side ta at a height y1 haba la pam phom da side ta muhle adagidi the air above the liquid whose surface is at a height y2 is pressure P. Sigi mathak sida laiba pressures in a P ni. From the equation of continuity we have equation of continuity na kari haira V1 A1 must be equal to V2 A2 siga mana ne V2 A2 di si silare si total volume na V2 ko dagi next term ado di V2 do putho. If the cross-sectional area of the tank A2 is much larger, tank to cross-sectional area then the whole A2 is very much larger than A1. A1 dagi whole A2 na yam chawba hele, then we may take the fluid to be approximately at rest. The fluid to rest lay and low way mathak di adona V2 di 0 yare adona applying Bernoulli's equation at the point point 1 and 2 the Bernoulli's equation pala di kaidorani and noting that the whole P1 is equal to PA atmospheric pressure ga P1 ga manadi we have kai capsule is PA half rho V1 square plus rho y1 equals to this siga manare aduna V1 do silare twice GH plus twice P minus PA by rho. Sini. When P is very much greater than P1 orga di, si sisu ignore the where si se. And the speed of the efflux is determined by the container's pressure. Sini. Aduga high base. Masi si situation je rocket propulsion de yam seasonai. And if the tank is open to atmosphere, tank na atmosphere open to already P is equal to PA and V1 equals to twice GH. P ga PA ga manamne twice gs, which is equal to the speed of a freely falling body harimne sini sumai tawdana laira akoi next venturi meter si maram da yengsi sisina kari device no abada incompressible of a liquid ongi flow se masibu measure tongna ba khulai du maming venturi meter kawi to noina mangda se ye to sida you ngasai manometer ga hapen mane YouTube laira sida mana flowing liquid amasida si machin si nama mo open tawre si nama mo open tawre si constriction sida ko khujan basida aduga se sele iba ising du ani dugi pressure do ole by kedawa height of the mercury column ani si difference yang kanda sumai tawdana khoina magi velocity do kya no do ole it is a device to measure the flow of speed of incompressible fluid. It consists of a tube with a broad diameter and a small constriction at the middle. Constriction haigadamni ko khujanba. A manometer in the form of a U-tube is also attached to it with one arm at the broad neck point and other at the constriction. Ko si banan se ni si constriction se. Sumai tawdana machin namana araw makhunsiga soknagani aduga atopa mana constriction oiba mafamse thamgani. The manometer contain a liquid of density rho m. Manometer manungsida liquid am happy madugi density na rho m ni. The speed v1 of the liquid flowing through the tube at the broad neck area A is to be measured. E the lay chain ga speed to adunia khoina yengdori base. From the equation of continuity, the speed at the constriction becomes B2 D C values mailera the D C Bernoulli's equation hapsalo H1 equals to H2. We have Kaigumba Sigi height anisna 0 oiraba. Haidi anisi wangwa cham anarakanda D Sigi values Sigaitara ani Sigi seko. H1 equals to H2 di mabani magsi cham ana taraga di ko adu dar di silere adu di P1 minus P2 equals to silere. This pressure difference causes the fluid in the U-tube connected to the narrow neck to rise in comparison to the other arm. The difference in height H measures the pressure difference and in the pressure ki khena do ole. The speed of the fluid at the wide neck is speed of the fluid se V1 equals to sigi value se hape aduga nakoina speed to puthokpa yayeba. Sigi Venturi meter ki principle se masigi si the principle behind this meter has many application magi application yam lai kai no. The carburetor of automobile has a Venturi channel. Ko carburetor noi carburetor ayo adu tai ko adu daidu da venturi meter gi magi makhun se nozzle se ama yawi madaidu da through which air flows with high speed. Sai carburetor manung da nungsit se high speed ta chenjali. The pressure is then lowered ko velocity yankhala di pressure handarani. Lower at the narrow neck and the gasoline is sucked up in the chamber to provide the correct mixture of air and fuel necessary for combustion. To say sida yango nangi say sida na say iba diagram se aina nakhoida Bernoulli's theorem gi horopada say sida haigadaba ma chithare kitang hayauge duga khangan to sigi equation se yango. Si constant ni si constant si the velocity si yam high already ko pressure da handagani maram di constant ni na velocity ne yankhatlagana pressure handagani velocity na taptharagana pressure hengatkani sigi equation se da koina khangi se aduna che ventrimeter gi se to the se kaidaba air flows with high speed air se nungshitsi am high speed ta chenjala di pressure se handarani ko aino je high give de tungna pressure handarani aduna kaidora pressure is then lowered at the narrow neck say pressure se am handarani aduna narrow kaidorba the petrol or gasoline is sucked up in the chamber aduna say petrol natraga gasoline do say chingkhatlani aduga to provide a correct mixture of air to fuel necessary for combustion aduna hojik chingkhaleba gasoline duga ani dugi fuel mixture do adu chana thamdana baidong tan mai chingkhatgani to gasoline is sucked up in the chamber to provide correct mixture ko chana thamna baidong ta of air to the fuel necessary for combustion sumain tawdana filter pump or aspirators, Bunsen burner, atomizer, sprayer, adai perfume ki kari si mayam se loina mak koi Bernoulli's theorem da loin pale si sinai ba khudam oina nang insecticides tasu magi spray se kamai tawra sanang na insecticide kap kada badu silai re sei gi nang na piston je chingthoe piston je chingthokanda nungsit si sei je chingjala nang oren piston ji intokanda kaidora piston ji intokanda si nangna somda piston je outward lomda singthokanda sidagi ko sidagi nangna insecticide je sigi pump se singkhatle sibho ora nangna piston du engine ganda di nungsituna maram moidana sigi nozzle apikpa sida nga sagi kakhalai ba liquids to high speed ta kaptho eto sumaina hairiba singse Bunsen burner, atomizer, sprayer moi khudingmakta tawriba si kainobu Bernoulli's theorem paline. Bernoulli's theorem si magi kanabam si am lay day to day life ta na khoina uriba gas stove sing da sungaire gas stove ki mamai da burner duda na khoina yeng kanda machin yam khuba nozzle masa ma yawbani haiba nozzle do kai gum kanda yadraga khoina hek sindo iko adui nozzle do na makhun du khuringai gas to high speed ta kapthore adu makhun du na lawkhala akanda di high speed ta kapakte adu kandra di akoi gi gas to phajana properly chakte similarly stove to oiro stove ta su kai dawe na khoina stove kumba sinaba matam da su hojiki matam da di kya di sinadre ado asai Bernoulli's theorem gi matungina velocity yankhala di pressure handarakani aduna madugi equation do sizinarkanda so much akoina day to day life ta tawba yaba thabak mayam ma akoi utpa yai hojiki matam da di nokoi namang do utgadabasi kaino mak natabani ko classroom situation natabani na utpa se kitang pharak tare sini sibogda akoi Bernoulli's theorem laire aduga akoi hakchang da cheliba ichen blood flow and heart attack sisu Bernoulli's theorem je pan ba yai ba kamai tawge yangsi Bernoulli's theorem je kamai pan ge do yangsi akoi ge hakchang da cheliba e je masi artery singsida chenba matamda akoi cholesterol gumba wangkhalakpadagi artery gi wall singdu thagalakpaduna maram oidana ko accumulation of plaque haise thagalakpa aduna thagalagadi kaidore adui mafam du khujalani adui mafam du velocity du yankhalani ada yang hojigi yengasiko Bernoulli's principle helps in explaining blood flow in artery. The artery may get constricted due to the accumulation of plaque adi akoina chagiba thakiba thau du na maram oraga koi in the form of cholesterol da koi sagi artery wall sing du thagale inner wall do, in order the blood flow through this constriction, a greater demand is placed on the activity of the heart. Ngasai khujiliba mafam duda idu chelhananabai dongta khoi heart se pumping tawba helhan batayaba. The speed of flow of the blood in this region is raised to ai haido velocity yankhatlani sigi khujiliba jaga sida. Velocity yankhale which lowers the pressure inside the artery. Adona maram orakanda artery manungi pressure ja handare. Artery the velocity yankhaladi pressure handarani. Artery may collapse due to external pressure. Adona maram oidana ngasai artery do mapan yobe pressure na maram orakanda artery do collapse tawba yai subchan giba yai. The heart exerts further pressure. Heart sina madu kannana bai dongta hena amu hena masi masase pressure to hengalalani. Heart exerts further pressure to open this artery. Artery singje open tawnana bai dongta and forces the blood through chelanana bai dongta ko ngasai gi artery do napsalla lai thokre madu hangdokna na bai dongta heart na hena mathau tawrani. As the blood rushes through this opening, the blood is na the internal pressure once again drop. Manung pressure so handare due to some reasons leading to a rapid collapse. Sumain to the nang as heart se magi ngamnaba pressure to hangana bonavada mase collapse tawi. And this may result in heart attack. Adoridi heart attack. Adu oi bayai. Sina koi na heart attack is si Bernoulli's theorem pan bayai. Kari tawai na huje hai ke badong asai akak na bom phom mada koi thagat laga laire manung sida adoi chien ga do jaga do yam pi e. Adoi mafam dra velocity do yam yankhala ani. Velocity do yankhala amni na atai jaga singdo dugido pressure handarani. Pressure handarabanina internal pressure na maram olkanda ngasai artery do phunjan giba yai ngakhtang gi oina madu phana baina heart na mohana mathau tawna ba hotnai adu tawna ba hotna bada magi collapse tawre aduga heart attack kai tho ine. To sibauda koina liquids in motion gi para loire. Sibauda so angka mayam mo hot pa yai ado ai na khoida para se ta aba matungda hayeng marakta mo angka do tawsi ko. Ngasi di swai da loisalagi.